imaginary line going from one side to the next, alternating. If you don't have a line, just stay straight. Vary the pace, vary the height, vary 1 or 2 legs. Again, it's all about shocking to the body, and believe me, your body will be shocked. As you can see, it's not just the lower body. You see Susan's upper body working really hard.